Hi, I'm Dave Kasel, Phelps Road Product Manager. I want to give you a few tips today on the assembly of the AR bicycle seat post. This is also going to be worthwhile for anyone using the IA. It'll have a similar seat post mechanism. In 2014, Phelps Bicycles debuted the internal lock, internal seat post clamping device. This is used on the all-new IA triathlon bike, as well as our AR road machines. The internal seat post clamping device requires 7 pieces. The seat post clamping plates, the retaining spring, 2 M6x1mm bolts, and the optional Di2 internal battery clip. To withdraw the plates, a quick method of doing so is just to thread the bolts in, maybe 1 or 2 threads on either side. The plates are spring loaded, so if you compress the bolts, you can slide the plates to the end of the seat post itself. Once slid down to the bottom, an Allen wrench can be slid down the slot, and the plates drop out of the bottom of the seat post. As I mentioned, there's 2 plates, one left, one right side, and a small spring to push them against the inner walls of the seat post itself. Phelps Bicycles also includes our Di2 cable clip. This clip is useful for running the internal Shimano Di2 battery and fits inside the seat post plates and acts as a holder for the Di2 battery. To install these 2 plates inside the post, simply place the 2 plates together, slide them inside the seat post, making sure you orient them with the forward mark on the top of the plates pointing to the forward part of the bicycle. This will slide up inside the post, and a small keyway will engage the slot on the seat post itself. It's important you use some assembly paste. We recommend the Tax Carbon Paste, and you cover the inside plates and the inside of the seat post with that material to optimize the grip. Once that's finished, assembly paste must also be installed inside the frame on all surfaces. The post can then be dropped into the frame, and you'll note that the seat post itself has a small amount of movement. That small amount of play allows it to move freely in and out of the frame. Once the seat post is installed, the small threaded holes on the plates themselves need to be lined up with the frame. Those bolts can then be threaded in. Start both sides before tightening them down. Once the saddle is installed and the seat post height measured, these bolts get tightened down to 7 Newton meters. So you'll notice a small amount of movement until the bolts are tightened to spec. Using a torque wrench, tighten the bolts. Now that the seat post clamp is tight, the friction paste and internal plates will prevent any movement once the rider is seated on the saddle. These small rubber strips are the last part of the process. The rubber strips come equipped with a bicycle. They can be trimmed to length, which fills in the gap of the seat post clamping mechanism itself. If you have any questions or want to further review the diagram, Phelps Bicycles, www.phelpsbicycles.com, has a downloadable instruction manual for the seat post itself and all of the other technical documents relating to the AR bicycle. Thanks for your time.